Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
First, install Git on your machine and verify the version with Git version. Configure your identity with Git config global user. Name and user. Email. Next, generate a 4096-bit SSH key with SSH keygen and use port 22 for transfers. Copy the public key and paste it into GitHub under Settings SSH and GPG keys. Finally, open Android Studio and point it to your Git executable under Settings. Version control Git. In your project root, create a git ignore with Android patterns, /build, Gradle, and local. Properties. Initialize Git with Git init and add your files with Git add. Then Git commit m. Create the main branch explicitly with Git branch m main to avoid mismatch. Add the remote with Git remote add origin Git at GitHub. Com username /repo. Git or using an HTTPS URL. Push the branch with Git push uorigin main using SSH key authentication or a personal access token when prompted. Always fetch and pull from origin before editing to minimize merge conflicts in your branch. Create topic branches for features with Git checkout bfeature/name and push them to origin for pull requests. Use GitHub pull requests to trigger CI and run automated Gradle builds before merging. Resolve conflicts locally by editing files and using Git add, then Git commit to finalize merges. Keep secrets out of version control. Exclude key store files and credentials like local, properties, and use environment variables instead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.